Hi Divyanshi, let's start the session. We need A4 size sheet, scale, black gel pen, black sketch pen, and we need a poster color, orange poster color for the background. Okay, one
Okay.
scale, starting, and a pencil. Okay, what we are going to do in the starting, we are going to mark 1 centimeter from all sides. Okay, and we are going to draw straight line. We are going to make border all side. I'll show you how I am going to do it. Now this side, every side we need 1 centimeter border. Okay, having border, so we need to create it. So like in S, from the upper part you need to draw a curve like this, which is going down and it's rotating like this. Okay, from here to here we need to draw one more curve. It's thicker from here but thinner from this part. Observe this very clearly. Let's move ahead with the next step. Next we need to do, like on his head or her head, I can say it head, we just need to draw one line and then one leaf, then second line, second leaf, there is one more line, third leaf, and there is small one, fourth leaf. And we need to divide these leaf into half and fill it. So this much drawing we need to do. After this you can take orange oil pastel, orange sketch pen or orange pencil color. I am using orange watercolor or poster color. With the brush I am going to fill this portion, only this portion, with orange. Okay, see, I am using watercolors. So kids, let me show you. This is how you need to fill this portion. Okay, you in the borders you can start making these kind of circles, round circles like that and like this. this is how we are going to do the background part. Okay, this is how in the upper corner we are going to do one part, and then we are going to make UU petals and dot inside it. Okay, so that at least you all can mark these curves in the drawing as well. Okay. This is how we are going to mark the whole portion. Now what happens in this folk art, we just need to add patterns one by one, okay? So like if I want to add straight lines, I can add it. I'll show you how we can do it. Yeah. Now in this line, if I want to add this 1 1 1 1 1, I will double outline this line and I will add this 1 1 1 in the pattern part. You can add triangles as well. You can fill those triangle designs. Always look good when you fill some black part. If you are going to make patterns after patterns, it will not look that much good. Okay. Let me see how all are doing it.
And can we watch the full recording of this meeting afterwards?
Sure, I can move it. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Is it visible? you just need to make patterns, okay? You can make lines, curves, circle, triangle, X, Y, U, anything, okay? And you just need to
Yes.
finish it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can finish this at home. Bye, Divyanshi. Keep it up. You have done wonderful job.